In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a task, also known as an automation, in Grok. If you've been looking around the main Grok dashboard and wondering where the Tasks option is, you're not alone. Sometimes the shortcut isn't visible right away, but there is a simple way to get to it and set everything up in just a few clicks. This is a great feature if you want to automate a repeated action, organize your workflow, or simply save time by letting Grok handle a task for you. Before we get started, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to grok.ai. Once the page loads, take a look around the interface. As you can see, there is no obvious option for tasks on the main screen, so don't worry if you can't find it right away. This is where a lot of people get stuck, but the solution is actually very simple. At this point, go up to your address bar and manually type grok.ai/tasks, then press enter. This will take you directly to the tasks page inside Grok. Once the page opens, you should see the option to create a task. Go ahead and click Create Task. This is the button that starts the automation setup process. After that, you can begin building your task based on what you want Grok to do. Depending on the workflow, you may need to enter the details, define the action, and confirm the settings so the task runs the way you want it to. Take your time here and make sure everything is set correctly before saving. And that's really all there is to it. By going directly to the Tasks URL, you can create a task in Grok even if the option doesn't appear on the main dashboard. It's a quick workaround that gets you to the right place immediately. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.